on? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Christmas dinosaur. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, and I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step, okay? So, it's only going to be about 8 minutes. It's going to be a little bit of color as well. And that's it. Let's jump into it. So, this is going to be like more on the cute side and more simplistic. Because I did do another one on here, but the other one's a little bit more complex. I'll try to put the other one in the description somewhere. I'm going to do a curve here for the head of the dinosaur, which is going to be kind of more or less just kind of like a generic like T-Rex kind of thinking. Curve over here down. Curve for the back. And then one more here down for the tail. I'm a big dinosaur fan, by the way. Oh, also, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button right now. When you hit the subscribe, it helps out the channel immensely, helps the algorithm here, and also you're going to be able to see this stuff on your feed every now and then when you do that. You'll basically see what drawing I have for that day. Line down. Right here for obviously the bottom of the neck. A bit of a nub here for the top arm. Curve. Curve down for the bottom leg here. Down here, the toe. Back, up. Go down here. All right. I'm going to go over here and throw a dot here for the eye. Okay, got this like simplistic, super simplistic template. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve here for the top of the hat. I mean the brim of the hat, sorry. It's gonna be just like a rectangle sitting on his head right now for the moment. Pulling back, angle back here, down for the hat, the ball of the hat there. I'm sorry, for the top of the hat. Line in the center here, pull down. Circle here for the ball of the hat. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a soft triangle. Continue to do these soft triangles here. By soft, I mean that, they're not hard, like jaggedy. They're just literally just soft triangles here. Right on. Cool, cool, cool. Let's thicken the line here at the bottom. Excuse me, I'm about to sneeze. Sorry, I had to sneeze a couple times. I can put the back foot down here. And more or less just kind of doing that exact same shape. And over here, I'm going to throw his arm in the back as well. Can I throw his arm in the back? Yeah, something like that, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that works. And line here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve down here for the front of the body. There's going to be that kind of snake belly pulling up here. Doing that. And I'm going to draw thin lines kind of like there, this direction. Really simple. This is probably one of the most simple designs ever, to be honest. All right, let's go ahead and give it a little bit of color. Okay? I'm going to grab a red marker. You can grab whatever you want, by the way, as far as colors go. You can grab colored pencil. You can grab crayon. I'm going to grab marker. The reason I'm going to grab marker, though, is because it's just faster to demonstrate with. I'm grabbing that red for the hat right here. Really just simple to do that, right? Just simple to flatten it out. By the way, hit the like button if you like the design, or if you like the drawing lesson, or if you just like the topic of this. I draw a bunch of dinosaurs in a bunch of different ways on here, so like I said, that's another reason to stick around. Okay, so that's a red. For the body, I guess you could do green or blue. I want to keep it light. If you can keep it light, that'd be great. Because like with marker, if you are using marker, markers tend to go down darker than you would think. Okay, let's do green. All right. All right, green. Just kind of flattening it out in there. I'm a big dinosaur fan. I pretty much I collect dinosaur figurines, so much so that I'm actually thinking about doing another YouTube channel for reviewing dinosaur figurines. That's how much I collect. You know. So I'm really thinking about that, just because I have them everywhere. They're like all over the place. They're all over the ground here. I'm like they're all over. Over here. And just trying to, like I said, trying to get the color as flat as I can, but it also kind of dries a little flatter than that. Whew. I'm gonna grab a yellow for the belly. I could actually grab like maybe like an orange or something. Something. Ah. Yeah, this kind of yellow would be good for the belly. It's kind of filling it in there. You could always, like I said, pick blue. There's all kinds of an assortment of colors that you could pick. I want to thank you for following, or at least sticking around here this long, if you are sticking around here. If you can hear my voice, say hi. The other thing is, yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you've done. You guys are amazing. And that's pretty much it. Go check out my full lessons on Skillshare. The link is going to be in the description. And I appreciate everything about you guys. I'll talk to you later, and I will see you soon, all right? Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.